Micro shorts are everywhere lately, and today I'm going to be making myself one. Hi, I'm Ravi, a self-taught fashion designer, learning as I go. Welcome back to my channel. Let's get sewing. So I want my shorts to be super low waisted, and I'm using this medium heavyweight fabric. Make sure that your fabric is not too see-through and thin enough to feel like you're just wearing underwear. For today's pattern, I'm using this little sport skirt that I have. I love the way these shorts look when I wear the skirt. So I decided to clone it, and we're gonna start by cutting out for the back piece. I am folding the shorts in a way that only exposes the back piece of the short, and then lay it on my fabric, unfold, because you need two pieces for the back, and then trace around. I'm leaving a little bit of seam allowance because my fabric and the fabric of this little skirt is not the same stretch. And also I left a bunch of space above the shorts because I'm not sure where my waist is gonna lay since the shorts are attached to a skirt. So I'm just gonna cut that out, and also left a bit more space at the bottom of the shorts so I can decide how micro I want to make them. Now we're gonna do the same thing for the front. So the front does not have a front seam, and I really liked that about the shorts. So I'm just gonna lay them flat and try my best to just outline the front part of the shorts. And this is how the front piece of the shorts looks like. Now we're gonna go ahead and stitch the back pieces together, right sides touching. Now we're gonna cut out this little rectangle that goes on the crotch area between the front and the back pieces of the shorts. And then we're gonna start by stitching it to the front piece of the short. So I also went ahead and just overlocked that seam, and we're also going to do a top stitch. Now taking the front piece where we attached that little rectangle, we're gonna put it right sides touching the back piece. Now we're gonna stitch that little rectangle to the back piece. And go ahead, overlock the seam, and we're also going to do a top stitch. Now this is how it looks. Now we're gonna go ahead and have the two pieces right sides touching. Actually, it's now one piece. The front and the back piece of the shorts are now attached together, and then we're gonna put them right sides touching and sew the side seams of the short. I've went ahead and marked how micro I want my shorts to be. I advise that you put them on and make sure you mark where you want them to be sitting at. And now I'm just adding a bit of more seam allowance so I can do the bottom hemming of the short. So I'm adding about 1 inch. I'm doing a simple hem. I'm gonna overlock the whole hem and then do a 1 inch fold, and we're gonna stitch that down. Now it's time for the elastic. Now again, I have marked down how low-waisted I want my short to be. I am going to pin my elastic along where I have lined it to be. So we're gonna stitch it onto the shorts and then do a fold over and only stitch the sides, because I do not want the stitching to be all around the top of my shorts. Now we're gonna take this to the overlocker and overlock, cutting off that excess fabric, and this is how it looks. And now we're just gonna do our fold over and do a little stitch on the sides of the shorts only.